Welcome to another module on the early humans and the ways of obtaining food. So as we discussed in the previous module, hunting has probably began later or about 5 lakh years ago, and there is a clear evidence for the deliberate planned hunting and butchery of large mammals comes from two sites. One at the Box Grove in the southern England roughly 5 lakh years ago. Second one, Schöningen in Germany roughly 4 lakh years ago. So 5 lakh years ago, it is a clear evidences are found for deliberately planned hunting and also butchery, cutting the meat of a large animal to small parts. In two sites, one is Box Grove in southern England, second one is the Schöningen in Germany. Now fishing has also been an important activity. It's evident in the discovery of fish bones at different sites. So now we are able to find some amount of proofs for us in the Box Grove and also in Germany in some sites where they are able to find the planned hunting of animals. One is here, first site, the second site. For about 35,000 years, there is an evidence of hunted planning or planned hunting from some European sites like Dolny, Westonis, which are near a river, seems to have been deliberately chosen by the early people. So 35,000 years ago also they find evidence that at some places they are able to see planned hunt activity in the European continent. For example, that is Dolny, Westonis, which was near a river, where they have chosen deliberately to hunt the animals. Mainly the herds of the migratory animals such as reindeer, horse, probably cross the rivers during the autumn and spring migrations were killed on a large scale. So maybe while they were crossing the rivers, they were planned, attacked and killed by the early humans. That's why they might have chosen this particular site which was close to a river. And the choice of such sites indicates that people knew about the movement of the animal during a particular period from one place to another place. As the migratory animals move and cross this particular river, they have fixed a target and they have found this place, and basing on the movement of these animals, they are able to do large scale killing of the animals, and this can be a clear evidence of their planned hunting activity. Today, we find societies that live by hunting and gathering, where men and women undertake a range of different activities, but we are going to discuss all those in the next modules. It is always possible to suggest parallels with the past. So in this module, we learned how the early humans might have planned and hunted at the river sites. They have a knowledge of the movement of the migratory animals. They know that during the particular seasons of spring and autumn, they move, the animals migrate from one place to another place, crossing the river. That sites are being the targets by the early human to hunt the animals, where we find mass killing of animals happened in the few European sites. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next.